Hey Paul, this is for you. So anyways, this is your intake pipe. Those two ports are for your EGR valve, and I was getting a low boost and an EGR code. So anyways, I pulled the intake pipe off. This goes down to the front on the passenger side. That's your charge air cooler. I was telling you about all the oil on it. So it's missing the seals between this end of this pipe and the intercooler, and that's the pipe there. And inside, just inside that yellowish looking ring is supposed to be an O-ring. It's missing on both ends. So anyways, one of the gaskets was installed wrong. You can see there she's blowing by, and so I'm going to clean it up, put it back together, and then that will do everything for codes on the engine. And I wanted to concentrate on that today because there's no sense of having the glow plugs. They can soak for another day, but if the engine's not working right, what's the sense of having the thing fucking start? So anyways, I thought I'd pass it on to you. Getting a little deeper into stuff, but the new code showed up here just after I replaced mass airflow sensor. But anyways, this is where she goes on that intake pipe, and the charge air cooler pipe is down in the corner there. You can just see it. So I know I pointed out to you, I could see oil all over it, and this is where it was. So anyways, gonna clean things up, get some O-rings for it. EGR is clean as a whistle, which is uncommon, which actually means that you don't have any EGR coolant leaks, which is great. So anyways, buddy, gonna clean things up and put her back together and hopefully be on my merry way. Then the last thing's glow plugs. So with the O-rings in that pipe, I suspect we're probably going to get about another 5 to 7 pounds boost, which means translates to probably this size engine, 80 to 100 horsepower. Not that.